In this example, we are going to send an email from our application by using an intent object that launched existing email client. You can see here in our layout, we have 4 items, 3 edit text and 1 button. Okay. Email, subject, message, and sending button. Let us check the Java file. Okay. First, we have to declare a variable for here for edit text, 3 edit text, email to, subject, and message. Then we have to link between Java file and layout. You can type email to edit text, find view by ID, r.id.edit text for subject and message. Next is a button. You have to link it between Java file and the layout. You can type send equal to button view find view by ID r.id.button. Then we can set on click listener to the button. Set on click listener, new view on click listener, public void on click, view v, send email. This is my function. So I create a new function for sending email. Here we can use action send to launch an email client installed on your Android device. Following is the simple syntax to create an intent with the action send. So you can type intent, email intent equal to new intent, and this is the action, intent.action send. Create a new variable called email intent here that is of class intent. It's just a variable. You can change this variable based on your preference. We can set the content of the email to plain text. So we can type email intent dot set type text or plain. And here is an example showing you how to assign extra data to your intent. So you can call email intent dot put extra, intent dot extra email, comma new string, and this is the edit text, email to dot get text dot to string. You can specify the email address here. Actually, you can replace this. You can specify the email address, and in this case we are going to retrieve the data from the edit text. So I call the edit text and dot get text dot to string. So whatever you type in the edit text will be retrieved and save it into here. They are defined in the array of string. So you can add more than one email. So you can specify, for example, 3 emails here by using a comma. So multiple email. And then this is how to we specify the email subject. You can use email intent dot put extra intent extra subject. email subject dot get text dot to string, and this is the actual email content. Yeah, so you can use email intent dot put extra intent extra text message dot get text dot to string. Okay, in order to execute the intent, you can type start activity intent, create chooser, yeah, email intent, and choose an email. Yeah. So let us start try. Okay, let's say we type here the subject is Android. Hello. Okay, once we enter all the detail and click a send button just now, it will display a dialog with the application which are capable of sending an email. By selecting the required email client, we can send an email without building our own email client like as shown above. We can select, for example, Gmail here, and it automatically set the data into your email, then you can send it. Sending message. This is how we can send an email using intent in Android application based on our requirement. I think that's all. Thank you.